Okay, now we got into exponentials. A logarithm is trying to find the power, an unknown power. So that's what we use them for. Now there's still some formulas in physics that are use logarithms, so you need to know the basics. But right now, this is if you have the same base equal, then the powers have to be equal, but there's some restrictions. The base cannot be 1 because 1 squared is the same as 1 cubed. And the base can't be 0 because 0 squared is the same as 0 cubed. And we don't want it to be negative either with logs. So we don't make it negative here. So we don't want it negative here. So here, if I can get the same base on both sides, I can set the powers equal and solve. So I'm going to change 8 to 2 cubed. It's the same thing as 8. And since the bases are the same, x has to equal 3. So if I can get the same base on both sides, 4 is 2 to the squared, or 2 to the 2x. 32 is 2 to the 5th, so we'd have 2x equals 5. X equals 5 halves. Now, you always want to make the bigger number to the smaller base. Never try to bring the smaller base up to bigger. You're changing the problem then. 2 to the 5th is 32. So this one, 16 is 2 to the 4th. And 32, we already said, is 2 to the 5th. So when you have a base to a power to another power, you multiply. So it's 2 to the 4x plus 4. So 4x plus 4 equals 5. So 4x equals 1. So x equals 1/4. This one. So 64 we know is 2 to the 6. 32 we already said is 2 to the 5th. So it'd be 5x minus 5. Now don't forget to distribute the 5. So this would be 2 to the 18. So 18 equals 5x minus 5. Let's do this. Let's see. Add 5, so 23 equals 5x. So x equals 23/5. So there's 5 problems there. Go ahead and try them, freeze the video, and then turn me back on when you're done. Okay, so 8 is 2 cubed. Again, 32 is 2 to the 5th, so it'd be 2 to the 5x plus 5. So 3x equals 5x plus 5. So subtract 3x, subtract 5. So x equals a negative 5 halves. This one, 3 to the 3x equals 3 to the 4. 3x equals 4. X equals 4/3. This one, 3 to the negative 2 equals 3 to the 3x. Whenever you want to change a fraction so the base is on top, you make it negative power. So negative 2 equals 3x, so x equals a negative 2/3. So this would be 3 to the negative 4x. This would be 3 to the 3x minus 3. So minus 4x equals 3x minus 3. I'm going to add 4x, add 3. So x equals 3/7. And the last one, 5 to the 2x equals 5 cubed. So 5 to the 2x equals 5 to the 9th. When you have the same bases, 2x equals 9, so x equals 9 halves. Ooh. Well, that was fun.